Oh, you going? All right. Here's Rose. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessing of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America.
Act.
No. Are they taking care of this stuff? Do you feel like that? Do I feel like the government's doing these things? No, I don't. Okay.
Um, you want to expand on, give like a small example, just real quick example of
Mm, one thing,
Yeah.
I don't know. We could just look around the city and see one thing. You could see a million things. We could look around here. There's a mix of people walking around who aren't able to secure these things that they're saying they're willing to provide. So I mean, I could name one thing, but it's just like a million things. So I don't know. Is that an answer enough?
Who's responsible to make sure that government does those things?
We are. I don't know. You want me to elaborate? We are, because we are the ones in a position to put these people in the places to make sure that these things happen. And like, I don't think the people, us as the people, understand the process enough to be able to make sure these changes happen, because we're just told for a long time, vote, 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 but no one's telling you how to vote, how to understand what you're voting for, and things like that. So that's the biggest problem, and why there's not a lot of changes, because how you going to act in a system that you don't really understand? So you got to provide that understanding, but that's not what's happening. So in order for the change to happen, you got to teach the people how to bring the change about. But just telling somebody to vote, that's not going to work, because you're going to walk in there and vote. You don't even know what you're reading. You can't even comprehend what this thing is saying. So you voting like you doing on a test when you didn't study, like A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Like, that's not how you pick somebody to do these things that you have listed on
A
here.
lot of the times it's misleading too.
Very much, because I have a hard time. So even when I vote and reading and trying to understand stuff, so I don't know. I just feel like that's the hard part, is that a lot of people don't know what they're actually voting for, and they don't realize how it matters as much. And then you only care about really voting for the president when all these other elections happened before that. So